What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I have something different. I thought maybe it's interesting for some of you, so I thought I'd do a quick video on unboxing and the first tryout of the Icons Lite from PlayStation. It's an official licensed product. It's the typical buttons of the PlayStation controller, so the triangle, the circle, the X and the square. In a lamp, it has three modes: standard lighting, color phasing and music reactive. So let's have a quick look around the box. Nothing too fancy here, just a normal box with on off some instructions, so nothing special. So I would say we just open it and we have a look inside. Let's get this out. You get this on Amazon for around $25 to $30 or euros, whatever region you are in. So we have a USB cable, that's pretty nice, a micro USB cable. Have some plastic, we have a manual. Let's put it aside. I put the box aside, so and take it out of the plastic, and there we go. That's basically it. So we have a manual, nothing spectacular, it's just a piece of paper with the instructions basically. We have a micro USB cable, that's also nice to have. And yeah, here we have the lights itself. It looks a bit weird, the colors are a bit weird of design, and also the black, it looks a bit matte, so I don't know. Here we have the button to trigger the light on and off, and on the back we have the USB port, the micro USB port, and on the downside here we can put in 3 AAA batteries, so that would be those type of batteries. So we put them in here. Obviously you need a screwdriver to open it and to put them in, but yeah, I would say, yeah, it feels, it's plastic, let's face it, it's plastic. The colors are a bit washed out, or however you want to call that. It's a weird color tone. It's not like real green, it's not like real red. It's a light blue, it's a weird pink or purple. So on the other side you see they are black, so only the front will light up. But yeah, I would say that's it for the unboxing. I will put the batteries inside, and then I will show you how they look in a natural environment. Okay, so I put 3 AAA batteries into the PlayStation Icons lamp, and I'm in a room now with only the light behind the lamp. This is a Philips Hue bulb inside on 10% in white, so it's quite dark in here. And I will show you the modes of the lamp. So if you click once, it's turning on and it's constantly on light, and you can already see the single LEDs. So it's one here, one here, one here, one here, and here we also have 4. Here we have 4, and here we have 3 in the triangle. So it doesn't look bad, but you can definitely see these single LEDs. It's nice, but yeah, it's what it is. So if we click again, it's now phasing through the symbols, so it's going from triangle to circle and then to square. So it's really slow. This one is going out, now the circle is going on, and then it's moving and moving and moving. So yeah, it goes to the X now and so on. I think you get it. And then we have the third mode, and that's the sound reactive mode. So when we click once again, now you can see it's interacting with my voice. So if I sit here and it's quiet in the room, so yeah, if I flip my fingers or if I start talking, it will flash, but it's really random, I would say. So it's not really reactive, it's just like listening if it's getting some sort of noise, and then it's just flashing in a random order, but that's it. So one more click and it's off again. So I would say we turn it on. It's a nice gimmick, it's a nice lamp. If you're a PlayStation fan like me, if you like to play, it's a nice thing for your gaming room or something you put on the shelf. I would say it's nice. It's definitely not the best quality. It's solid, but it's not, it doesn't feel like really cheap, but it's also not high quality. But I would say that's it for the video, so the unboxing and the first impression. Let me know what you think about the lamp. I will leave the links to the lamp in the description as well, so you can check it out on Amazon. It's around $25 to $30 or euros, pounds, wherever you live in. I will drop the links below. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this coming up here on my channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.